Ariel, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited because I am going to be doing a hairstyling video. I've literally have not done one of these for years, and I just messed up my hair. I have really been into hairstyles lately. So today I thought I would film and show you guys some of the hairstyles that I personally have been obsessed with. Make sure to comment down below and let me know which hairstyle is your favorite. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up because it helps me out. And make sure to subscribe down below because I will be uploading a bunch during quarantine and I would love it if you subscribed and joined the family. And with all that said, let's go ahead and get started. Kicking it off with my most worn hairstyle, all you need is a claw clip. These are super trendy and this is such an effortless hairstyle I do pretty much every day. So you want to put your hair into a low ponytail and then take the claw clip and secure it at the bottom of your low pony. And then I like to mess it up a little bit, make it more messy, I guess. And then I pull out my front sections for that effortless look, and that is it. I literally wear this almost every day and it's definitely one of my favorites. For the second hairstyle, I'm starting off by parting my hair into a side part. This is a 90s inspired hairstyle and it's so cute. Grabbing a section of hair from the front of my hair, I'm going to section it off with a clip so I don't lose it. And then I'm going to put the rest of my hair into a high ponytail. I have short hair, so I like using a hairbrush to do this because it makes it a little bit easier. And then once I've done that, I take a scrunchie and I'm just going to secure it. So next, I'm going to go ahead and take some bobby pins and I'm going to take that section I left out and secure it behind my ponytail. I like to use about 3 bobby pins just to make sure it stays, and then I have some baby hairs that I pin down with the bobby pin as well. And this is the second hairstyle. I think it is adorable. For this third hairstyle, I'm starting off with my favorite straightening iron. This is from Duval. I'm not sponsored by them, but I love their products and I have a coupon code if you want to try out their straightener. So first I'm going to section off my hair and then I'm going to show you how I fake my blowout. So I like to just run the straightener through the top of my hair and then when I get to the bottom, I flip it inwards toward my face. So it gets that like bouncy curl at the bottom. It's so easy and this literally takes like 5 to 10 minutes. And this is something I like to do on days where I just don't really know what I want to do with my hair and it's a little bit crazy. I feel like this just calms it down and it looks so effortless and so pretty. For this next hairstyle, you're going to need a scrunchie and then I'm going to go ahead and part my hair to this side. So you want to gather your hair into a low ponytail and then with your scrunchie, flip it into a messy bun. This is such an easy hairstyle, but with a scrunchie, it looks so cute and like you actually put effort into your hair. I like to pull out my front sections, just kind of mess it up a little, and this is how the hairstyle looks. So this is a little twist on the previous hairstyle. I'm going to do a half up, half down, and then with the same scrunchie, just gather the section of my hair into a little bun. And basically, I just flip into a ponytail and then pull most of the hair halfway through and kind of just mess it up. And then I always pull out my front sections because I just feel like it looks cuter. And then also I don't look bald if I do this. And this is the next hairstyle. For this hairstyle, I have a trendy hairpin from Princess Polly. These are so in and I love using them. So I did a side part and then on the side with the lesser amount of hair, I just basically clip my hairpin and I leave the front sections out and it's that easy. This is another hairstyle with barrettes and it's still a side part and I'm also just putting them in my hair and taking the front sections and pulling them out. But I did both sections with matching barrettes and I think this turns out so cute. It gives me 90s vibes for sure, but it's definitely one of my favorite hairstyles. And lastly, my favorite way to wear hair barrettes is to also have a side part, but then on the section with most amount of hair, I put some barrettes and I layer them in a line. I think it looks so cute, and especially if you have ones that match well together, it can really upgrade your outfit. So for this next hairstyle, I'm starting off by brushing my hair and then parting it a little bit more into the center, but it's still a side part because I love me a good side part. I'm going to leave a section of hair out from the top of my head and then grab a section from the top behind it, and I'm going to start twisting a piece of hair and then adding tiny sections into it, and then I'm going to twist it all the way to the end and secure it with some bobby pins, and then repeat the process on the other side. And once I've done that and then I've secured that section as well, I'm taking these little butterfly clips I got from Shein, and then I'm just going to put them on the twist. This is such a cute and easy hairstyle, and it looks like you put a lot of effort into it, but you really didn't, and the butterfly clips just take it to a whole nother level. For this hairstyle, you're going to need a hair scarf, and I'm going to put my hair into a low ponytail, and it doesn't really matter what this looks like because it'll come out later, but I'm going to fold my scarf in half, and then I'm going to put it on my head and secure the two ends behind my hair underneath my ponytail. And then once I've done that, I like to just take the front sections and pull them out. I feel like this makes the bandana or the hair scarf look cuter on me, and then I'm going to take my scrunchie out and then fix my hair underneath the bandana, and this is just a super easy way to rock a bandana or hair scarf. This is another one of my favorite hair scarf hairstyles. So using the same scarf, I'm just going to roll it until it's in a strip, and then I'm going to put it underneath my head and then just tie it into a bow on top of my head. But instead of leaving the bow on the top of my head, I'm actually going to reverse it and just turn it into a headband. I've really been into headbands lately, and I don't really have that many, so this is a great way for me to use my hair scarves as headbands. And you guys already know I'm pulling out the front section and just making it a little bit more messy the way I like it, and this is what the hairstyle turned out to be. This hairstyle is a little bit more complicated, but it's still super cute and super easy once you just get the hang of it. I'm doing a tiny Dutch braid at the top of my hair, and I'm just going all the way back until I reach like the back of my head, and then I'm just going to regular braid it all the way down. I am not adding any hair from the bottom section of my hair, only the top, so it stays at the top of my hair, and then I'm going to pancake it, which means I'm just pulling across the braid to make it thicker. Then I'm taking a tiny little elastic, and I'm just going to tie this braid off and repeat the same process on the other side of my hair. And this is something that just gives me Coachella vibes, but I love wearing this hairstyle. It looks like you put a lot of effort into your hair, but this only takes me about 5 minutes. And so I'm gonna pancake the other side as well when I'm done, and this is the finished look. This next hairstyle reminds me of the 70s, but I'm taking the front sections of my hair and I'm just regular braiding them all the way down, and then I'm going to secure them with an elastic. Use really small sections to do this so you have cute tiny braids. I think this is such a cute hairstyle, and it's also really effortless, but it's still something that's perfect for summer and spring, and it's something you can easily do for school. Alright guys, those are all my favorite hairstyles that I have been doing lately. They're all so easy. As you guys saw, they literally take like 5 minutes or less, and anyone can do them. You don't have to be a salon stylist or hair pro to do them. If you want me to do some more hairstyles, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know, because I would love to. I've just been really into like styling my hair lately and coming up with cute, easy, foolproof hairstyles that I feel like anyone can do. So with that said, I'll see you guys next time with a new vid. Until then, bye.